double chin.
I felt that in my spirit, girl. Oh, it's popping. Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I've missed you guys. I've taken like just over a week off and I've been in China and I don't know, it feels like I haven't been here, but it's nice to be back and be like, hey girl. Sorry, I am slightly excited. It feels good to be here. I have put on weight. So before anyone comes and says, you know, Patricia, are you pregnant? No, okay? Let's not do it today. The power of contour is about to save these jowls, okay? And the power of Rihanna is gonna make me look extra cute today. I'm gonna follow her Vogue tutorial using her new products as well. And I saw this video on Vogue and it was just so effortless. You know when people are just like, oh, I just do this, and bam, they're like flawless. Like that was literally Rihanna. So I'm gonna literally follow hers and like see if that is how I'm gonna come out looking, you know? I feel like we're similar in the fact that like our application doesn't look like perfect, but when it's done at the end, it's like flawless, like actually flawless. But you know, she got a great base to start off with. Oh, and I'm gonna go in with the new goodies from Fenty Beauty. I just got these in PR and I'm like, yes, come on. I'm really excited like to try them all out. There's color and there's sass and there's glamour, darling. So yeah, let's get into this video. Rihanna didn't start off with a base, but currently my skin is ashy, so I am going to be going in with a base. I feel like I need it at the moment, so I'm gonna go in with my vitamin enriched face base from Bobbi Brown because I love this. It's more like a cream and my face needs this.
We're gonna start with foundation.
Okay, next she's going in with the foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Pro Filter foundation and sponge that on. I swear, for me, I find it really strange to like sponge on my foundation without doing my brows. I feel like I need brows before I do foundation, but you know, if Rihanna does it this way, I'm gonna do it this way.
I can do my makeup in 10 minutes.
We was talking about doing her makeup in 10 minutes, whereas I feel like it takes me 10 years to do my makeup. Guys, I do feel like doing like a little makeup tutorial is like a good way to like ease myself back into doing YouTube videos. It's so crazy, like if I haven't done a video in like a week, it just feels like I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. I feel like that in life. Does anyone else feel like that? I'm like, what is life? What is going on? What's mad is I don't actually use this foundation like regularly. It's not my go-to foundation in all honesty. But when it's on, it is kind of flawless. It really does give you that flawless finish.
Very important to contour your face for your face, not the way you see on
yes,
every
girl.
YouTube tutorial.
Contouring with the matchsticks. I'm going to go in with Espresso, which is actually quite dark, but really, really good. And do you know what I've been saying recently? I wish I had more forehead. I've got just a very small forehead and I was like, you know what, big foreheads are kind of cute and I just wish I had one. Mine is like this big, like relatively. I've just got a pea head, but we're just gonna pretend we can contour our forehead like Ree did.
Crazy. Hide that double chin.
Yes, I felt that in my spirit, girl. We need to hide that double chin. It's not that bad, it's not that bad. But you know when you feel it, in yourself, like you're like, I've just, you know, I've been indulging a little bit more. And there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing. I've decided I embrace my summer weight gain. I swear, I put myself under pressure, like to like look extra snatch. And then that stress makes me eat more chocolate. And then, you know, it's a cycle. I've accepted it. I have accepted it, people.
I learned how to contour when I gained weight, believe it or not. That's when it comes in.
Talking about that weight gain contour. Okay, we're just gonna use this brush, which is similar to her foundation brush. I do have mine, but it's kind of a bit crusty right now, so I'm not using it. And I'll be honest, sometimes I definitely have that kind of application that can look a bit rough, but I feel like when it comes together, it comes together well. Oh, and I feel like, you know what, that little bit of extra contour is really helping, you know? She's popping.
Triangle when you're doing a contour under there. Give you that whole long neck.
He is giving us advice. A triangle. I have never. Oh Lord, I feel like. Oh God, I think I made a mess. I think I might need to leave that alone. I feel like the order in which Rihanna puts on her makeup is completely different to the order I put mine on. Like, there's no brows, I've got no under eye highlight, and I've already got contour on. it just seems, you know, just seems a bit higgledy-piggledy, but that's a powerful thing. Like, people do that makeup differently. Like, you don't have to do makeup the way everyone does it. You can do it the way that works for you.
Concealer.
Okay, next. So she's going in with the matte. I'm going to use the shade Latte. She's warming it on her hands first. And maybe this is what I haven't done before, because I do find this to be quite drying. But you know what? Strategy, you know. Oh. And she went ahead and did one little swipe. And I'm just going to do two. Oh, we're getting a glow. We're getting a glow. I always forget how these like are magnetic. I love that. I love that. Every time I see them like connecting, like lovers meeting in the night, it just gives me life. And we're going to get it right on the nose bridge, just like Rihanna did. So Rhee's next step was to mattify, but I've got quite dry skin and I feel hella matte right now. I do not feel like I need powder right now. Okay, Rhee's brows magically appeared. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows as well. Hers look really like fine and like individually done. I feel like Rhee's probably got microblading. I'm going to use my Benefit, like my ultimate brow combo. I'm going to use my Precisely My Brow and my Gimme Brow. At the same time, I'm going to do one line on the bottom, just like that. One line on the top. That just gives me like fullness at the ends, and I'm going to fill that in there. Right? That's what I do on the ends. And then I'm going to use Precisely My Brow to basically almost draw the lines to give me a much more gentle look. I feel like the best brows are when you can get like individual strokes. I'm going to tidy that up with a little bit of NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. And then I can be Rihanna's understudy. Brow done, darling. I'm having fun. I swear, like, doing this is reminding me of the old school days. Like when you used to just watch some random girl do their makeup in the bathroom or in their bedroom. The old days. It's changed so much. Okay, she warmed up her eyes with a bronzer. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Mario palette. There's a shade called Violetta, which I think is gonna do just that. Okay, now I think it's time to get into the good stuff. Here is the new collection from Fenty Beauty. What have we got here? Oh, okay. So these are the Kilowatt foils. Oh, this is what Rihanna just gave us a glimpse of in the Vogue video. And I love the fact that even the inside of the Kilowatts are like a different kind of effect, like they're kind of mirrored and they're just really banging. I feel like I've got to swatch them all for you so you can just see how gorgeous they are. It is 7-day weekend and poolside. The shades are just Do you know what? They're not as crazy as I thought they were gonna look. This poolside is such a gorgeous shade. I just want to put it all over. This one here is Sand Castle and Mint Mojito. Gorge. Ooh. I wonder if that would look good on me. I don't know about that. And this bad boy here, this is the one that Riri was using in the Vogue video. It's dramatic AF and looks gorgeous. This is Sangria Sunset and Mimosa Sunrise.
Summer, sunset, love, drama.
Okay.
Bitches.
Yes, girl, I see the drama in this. Okay. So I love the way Riri does her makeup. She just goes in like, if she can do it like this, I'm doing it like this. She just put on her brush and just, oh. Whew. That is instant. That is instant fabulous payoff.
That was easy.
That was easy. That was so easy. As in, that just goes, shoosh, it's on your eyes. There you go. This is what's important, you know? We're not out here trying to judge how you do your makeup and your blending. You just want to, you know, look nice. I love this. This is my kind of makeup. That's so pretty. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit more from the Anastasia palette just to like blend out my edges and transitions a little bit more. and also warm up under my eyes. Okay, right.
I'm gonna use the same palette.
Okay,
Blush.
right. Ree is going in with the same palette and is using this shade as a blush, but I think it's more like a highlighter. Let's see. Hey, well, she is giving me a vibe with all of that. In all honesty, if you guys haven't picked up this brush or the foundation brush, genuinely, hands up, you do need it. It does work so well. It's the perfect shape and it's so good. I feel like this is even too strong on me. Okay, no. Okay. I'm telling you, look at this. I feel like on my skin, they just really, really show up. Do you guys remember that first video I did, that Fenty one? And it was like, whoa, it was a lot. It was really a lot. Oh, but actually that just blended in so nicely. Okay. Do you know what? I thought it would look more like orangey, but it doesn't. It looks really, really nice, just like this.
My vibe for summer is
okay. And then she's going back in with the Sangria Sunset and adding that as a blush. Because the vibe is more is more. Okay, vibe is more. Oh, wow. Sometimes I do prefer like really warm blushes. And that is quite a cool brush on me, but we can make this work.
Try some of this. See that? I layer highlighters all the time.
Well, we are layering more highlighter here, darling. Ree is not playing any games. Oh, Lord. She is not playing any games. The highlighter game is on level 3000 right now. But she was talking about layering highlighters. So, you know what? We're just going to do what Ree does. Layering, that is a completely different consistency to the other ones. This is a lot more reflective. Like, as you can see, it's a lot more reflective. I feel a little bit 80s disco, like a little bit 80s disco right now. Okay, Ree is using this absolutely everywhere. Nose bridge, the same brush. Maybe there's a trick to it because I feel like mine looks off center now. I'm gonna use Sandcastle to do the inner corner of my eyes. The inner corner of my eyes. And she's right, it makes such a huge difference. Oh, it's popping. You see popping. It's popping. Lashes. Ooh, lashes. Once Ree puts on lashes, the game is over. It's a transformation. I'm gonna go in with my Bad Girl Bang mascara and then find some like really light, floaty, like natural lashes. Do you know what's crazy? I feel cute even without my false lashes on. So when I feel cute without false lashes on, that is a testament to feeling good. Like, because honestly, I usually feel like I come together and I don't look like a thumb when I've got lashes on, but you know, I have them on and I feel like I look all right. It's a feeling when you don't feel like a thumb, hashtag. Okay, so Ree's next step was the lips, and these are Iridescent Lip Luminizer Trio. I don't know if it comes in a box set like this or you can buy the individuals. Which shade did she use? I don't feel like my shade looks like hers, but I do feel like this shade looks exactly like the eyes. So we're gonna roll with this and make it work. I feel like I need to swatch these for you. Ooh. That shade is called Ready to Mingle. And there's this goldy shade, which is called Bilingual. And then this like blue shade, which is strange, but it isn't actually blue. It is called Single. Her look looks really gold. So I'm gonna put that on my lips. Okay, so I just swatched the goldie one. I looked auntie-esque in all honesty. I don't know why. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this Bobbi Brown. It's like a nude base, just to give me, because I've got quite dark lips, so it's nice to have like a nude base and then put those colors on top. Once I've got a lip liner on, I feel like I can do any shade, but without lip liner, no. Okay, I'm then gonna go in with this lip gloss. Okay. Oh, I definitely feel like I've just got a 90s vibe. Like I'm shining, I look healthy, I look natural, darling. This is cute. Okay, Rihanna's last step, her last step. Of course, a little body lover. I'm gonna get that in. And I actually do use the shade Who Needs Clothes, which is the lightest shade. And I'm fine with it. I love it on me. It just brings everything together. I'm smiling. I'm smiling to myself because I feel beautiful. I feel nice. I feel like, yeah, it's a nice feeling when you feel good about yourself. You know what? You gotta enjoy it. Smile at yourself because you're cute. That's okay. It's okay. And I feel cute. I'm definitely body lathered up, if you can't tell. Okay, that is me done trying out the new goodies from Fenty Beauty and following Rihanna herself, showing me how to lay my makeup. It's different to how I do it, but I still feel like the finished results are really, really good. I love it. I'm very shining though. I am shining. There's a lot of reflection. Reflection! Okay guys, I am done. What do you guys think? Do you think that, you know, I've got that Rihanna look going on? It's nice to try out the new collection. It's quite like shiny and glittery and like quite feminine and girly and fun, but I feel like that is the vibe for summer and I'm so here for it. I really like it. It's really different. It feels really fresh and I feel like also with my hair back, it like makes me look quite youthful. And I'm really feeling that. What do you guys think? Is it getting you in the mood for summer? Okay, I am done, guys. Thank you so much for watching me just put on makeup and follow Rihanna. I hope you enjoyed that. I will catch you this weekend for a video. So make sure you're subscribed, have your notifications on and all that good stuff because I don't know what YouTube is doing with its life. And then you can also catch me on my Instagram. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye. Sit up, send it down to me.